everyone. I want to do a small video today on the new Hudson Bay's Snow and Neally axe. I just picked this up yesterday. I was wanting a new axe, wanted something a little more traditional, so I went with this. It's a decent price for what it is, and it's kind of an in-between. It's not a cheap axe, but it's not a real expensive axe either. And I'm going to give it a shot around camp and see how she does. And if anybody's used one of these, hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about it, and I'll keep you guys posted on it. But I wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and want everybody to be safe in their travels around the family, and hope everybody has some good food. And I know Thanksgiving is one of my favorite time of years, and everybody just be safe out there and have a really good holiday and appreciate your family. And this is something that I love to do, just getting out here and making videos for everyone, and I hope everybody likes them. Hope everybody helps support me on my channel and gives me likes and subscribes. And my son, he's got a small one. It's Little Harris Outdoors, and he's trying to tag along with me throughout some of these adventures I go on. So once again, thank you guys for everything that y'all do for me, and I'll be back at you again with another video soon. Appreciate it.